So how has business banking in Canada evolved this year? I'd say, first and foremost, client expectations regarding simplicity, ease of banking, and particularly the ability to leverage digital channels is ever increasing. And we're seeing that in our branch environment. If we look on a year-over-year basis, in-branch transactions are down double digit, and their clients are essentially interacting with us digitally ever more. That being said, one thing that hasn't changed is our clients' desire for good, trusted advice. And that's something that we continue to see in the marketplace as a differentiator for us.
Talk me through the digital journey that your clients are going on.
Clients want to manage their business, and wherever possible, they want banking to be easy. So from a digital standpoint, the more we can accommodate their service interactions at their own place of work, the better. In Canada, checks are still quite popular as a payment method, particularly among businesses. And so we've created a capability that we're the market leader on, where clients can scan checks at their place of work through one of our scanners and deposit those monies right into their bank account without ever having to walk into a branch. And they love it. So it's all about making their lives easier and allowing them to go about running their business versus thinking about their banking.
Talk me through the workflow of those innovations, starting from the conversations with your clients, finding out that there's a need that you could fulfill, through to actually forming partnerships with the technological innovators.
The first thing we do is we spend a lot of time listening to our clients, monthly surveying our customers. We also have a regular advisory council. Clients speak with us about areas where we are providing terrific service and areas where we can improve our capabilities. We've also spent a lot of time working with accelerators and emerging companies to ensure that we're leveraging the newest ideas that are coming out. And so we have a relationship here in Toronto with a world-class accelerator called the DMZ, part of the Ryerson University. We're inviting early-stage companies to apply to be part of the accelerator. We'll choose to work with 6 of these companies, and we'll mentor them over the course of 4 months with the opportunity to actually do a proof of concept with them. We did this program last year, and we actually have one company, a company called Form Hero, live on our website today. And we've seen improvement in the uptake of our credit card offering as a great example through the Form Hero solution. So really it's about, first of all, listening to our clients, and then second of all, participating in the new Fintech ecosystem so that if there are ideas and opportunities that we like, we can bring them onto our platform.
What challenges and what opportunities are you seeing for commercial banks today?
We're seeing a lot of new and interesting companies move into the banking space. What we know to be true is that incumbent institutions like ours do a number of things very well. First, we're highly trusted. BMO is celebrating its 200-year anniversary this year. So we've been in the banking business a long time. And that means that we have strong elements of trust. We have effective regulatory know-how. We know how to protect our clients' data, and we have distribution. Those are very strong capabilities. What we need to do is improve the capabilities we have so that payments are easier and more intuitive. One I might touch on is bulk email money transfer. This is the ability to send money to a client or a customer of yours by just knowing their email address. We need to be faster. When clients are coming to us about opportunities to grow their business and potentially provide financing for them to do just that, they want us to be providing answers much more quickly. We're actually working on capabilities as we speak to simplify the adjudication of smaller loans around $500,000 and under, and to be able to do that within 10, 20, 30 minutes.
What else is next for BMO?
I think it's continuing to evolve our capabilities. The world doesn't stand still and the pace of change is ever increasing. What we know first and foremost is that client centricity is critical. So we need to listen to our clients, to be a trusted advisor to them, and to build capabilities that they feel are relevant to them in making banking easier.
Andrew, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Go to worldfinance.com for more digital innovations in the commercial banking space, and bmo.com/business for more on BMO's offering. And please subscribe for all the latest insights from World Finance.